Behold the untamed sovereign of the savannah, where golden rays kiss the earth and the horizon glows to his reign. With a mane like wildfire and eyes ablaze with primal wisdom, this lion embodies raw power and unyielding grace. Every stride echoes centuries of legacy. A guardian of balance, a symbol of resilience. His roar shatters silence, a thunderous declaration of territory and triumph. In his presence, time stands still, the hunt, the pride. The cycle of life woven into his very essence. This is more than a predator. He is the heartbeat of the wild,